How can you avoid soldering burns in robotics? Imagine working on your latest robotics project and suddenly feeling a sharp burn from the soldering iron. That's a risk you want to avoid at all costs. Soldering is a key skill in robotics, used to connect tiny electronic parts and build circuits. But working with high heat means you need to stay safe. The good news is there are simple ways to prevent those painful burns and keep your workspace safe. First, always wear safety glasses. Solder can splash or flick onto your eyes, even with lead-free solder. Protecting your eyes is a quick and easy step. Next, use a soldering iron with a heat-resistant handle. These handles stay cool enough to hold comfortably and prevent accidental slips. When you're not using the soldering iron, always put it back on its stand. Never leave it lying on your workbench or near flammable materials. The tip can stay hot for several minutes and cause burns if touched. Handling the soldering iron safely is also about technique. Never touch the tip or the metal part of the iron, which can reach nearly 400 degrees Celsius. Use tweezers or clamps to hold wires and components in place. This keeps your fingers away from the hot surfaces. Working in a well-ventilated area is important too. Solder fumes can be irritating, so use a fume extractor if possible. Keep your workspace tidy. Loose tools or wires can cause you to trip or accidentally knock over the hot soldering iron. When you finish, let the soldered parts cool down before handling them. This prevents burns and damage to your work. After soldering, wash your hands thoroughly. Even lead-free solder can contain residues that are best not ingested. Always turn off and unplug your soldering iron when you are done. This simple step prevents accidental burns later. By following these tips, you can avoid painful burns and enjoy building your robotics projects safely. Proper equipment, safe handling, and a clean workspace make all the difference. Remember, safety first helps you focus on creating amazing robots without worry.